Have you ever noticed how important time is? We talk about it all the time. We make plans for the future, remember the past, and live in the present. To talk about time accurately, we need to use the right words. That's where prepositions of time come in. These little words, like at, on, and in, tell us when something happens. Using the correct preposition makes your English clear and easy to understand. Let's start with the preposition at. This handy preposition is your go-to for specific times. It helps us be precise and clear about when something happens. Think of it as pinpointing a moment on the clock. When you use at, you're zeroing in on an exact time. We use at with clock times to specify the exact hour and minute something occurs. For example, my yoga class starts at 7 a.m. This tells us the precise time the class begins. Similarly, the movie ends at 10:30 p.m. Here, at helps us know the exact time the movie finishes. We also use at for holidays to indicate specific times during these special days. For instance, we open presents at Christmas. This means the act of opening gifts happens during the Christmas holiday. Families gather for dinner at Thanksgiving. At here specifies the time of the gathering during the Thanksgiving holiday. And don't forget about specific periods of the day. At is also used to denote these times. The birds sing beautifully at dawn. This tells us that the birds singing happens during the early morning period. I love to read a book at night. Here, at indicates the specific time of day when I enjoy reading. See how at helps us pinpoint those specific moments in time. It's a small word with a big role in making our communication clear and precise. Whether it's setting a meeting at 3 p.m. or planning a dinner at 8, at ensures everyone knows the exact time. Students arrive at school at 8 a.m. and the bell rings at 8:30. These specific times are crucial for daily routines. Celebrations like New Year's Eve are marked by the clock striking at midnight. At helps us capture these significant moments. Even in travel, at is essential. Trains arrive at specific times, like at 5:15 p.m., ensuring schedules are followed. In cooking, we set timers to go off at certain times, like at 20 minutes, to ensure our dishes are perfectly prepared. From waking up at 6 a.m. to going to bed at 10 p.m., at structures our daily lives with precision. So remember, using at is all about being specific and clear. It's a powerful tool in our language to mark exact times and moments. Now let's move on to on. This preposition is all about days and dates. Imagine marking a specific day on your calendar. We use on with days of the week. I have a dentist appointment on Monday. We're having a picnic on Saturday. We also use on with specific dates. My birthday is on June 15th. The concert is on October 28th. Just like that, on helps us pinpoint specific days and dates. Section 4. In the realm of months and years. Using in. Finally, let's explore in. This preposition is perfect for longer periods, like months, years, centuries, and seasons. It helps us frame our experiences and events within these larger segments of time. Think of it as being inside a container of time. Just as an hourglass holds sand, in holds moments within months, years, and beyond. We use in with months. The weather is beautiful in May. May, a month of blooming flowers and warming temperatures, is often associated with the full swing of spring. I'm going on vacation in August. August, a popular month for summer vacations, often brings thoughts of beaches, travel, and relaxation. We also use in with years, centuries, and seasons. She was born in 1999. The year 1999, just before the turn of the millennium, holds many memories for those who lived through it. The Renaissance began in the 14th century. This period, known for its cultural and artistic revival, marked a significant era in human history. Leaves change color in autumn. Autumn A season of transformation brings vibrant colors and a crispness to the air. In helps us talk about these longer stretches of time. It allows us to place events and experiences within a broader context, making it easier to understand and communicate the passage of time. For instance, we celebrate New Year's Eve in December, marking the end of one year and the beginning of another. Students often prepare for exams in June, a month synonymous with academic assessments and the end of the school year. Anniversaries are often celebrated in specific months, like a couple celebrating their wedding anniversary in October. Using in helps us navigate through history, placing significant events within the framework of time. It's a simple yet powerful tool in our language. So next time you talk about time, remember the power of in. It's more than just a preposition. It's a way to connect our lives to the vast continuum of time. And that concludes our exploration of in. Use it to frame your stories, your history, and your future. Section 5. Real-life time travel. Putting prepositions to use. Now that we've covered at, on, and in, let's see how they work in real-life situations. Prepositions are small words, but they play a big role in our sentences. They help us describe when and where things happen, making our communication clearer and more precise. Imagine you're making plans with a friend. You might be sitting at a cafe, sipping your favorite coffee, and discussing your weekend plans. Prepositions help you set the scene and make your plans clear. You could say, let's meet on Saturday at 2 p.m. in the park. Notice how on tells us the day, at tells us the time, and in tells us the place. Without these prepositions, your friend might not know when or where to meet you. Or you could talk about your favorite holiday. I love spending time with my family at Christmas. Here, at helps us understand the specific time of year you're talking about. It's not just any time, it's Christmas time, a special occasion. We always have a big dinner on Christmas Eve. On is used here to specify the exact day. Christmas Eve is a specific day, and on helps us pinpoint it. These prepositions make your sentences more vivid and detailed. You can even use prepositions to talk about your hopes and dreams. In the future, I want to travel the world. In helps us understand that this is a time period, not a specific moment. It gives us a sense of when you hope to achieve your dreams. See how these little prepositions make your sentences clear and precise. They are the unsung heroes of our language, guiding us through time and space in our conversations. So next time you use at, on, or in, remember how powerful these tiny words can be in making your communication effective and engaging. Section 6. Time to test your skills. A quick quiz. Ready to test your knowledge? Try filling in the blanks with the correct prepositions. 1. My brother graduated from university 2022. 2. We're having a party Friday night. 3. The meeting starts 9 a.m. sharp. 4. The leaves turn beautiful colors autumn. 5. I usually go for a run the morning. 6. Her birthday is July 10th. Section 7. Conclusion. Mastering time, one preposition at a time. Congratulations, you've learned how to use at, on, and in like a pro. Remember, using the correct prepositions of time makes your English clear and easy to understand. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a master of time in English grammar.